So you said you are a son of Obokode Sabi?
Oh, wow.
What, you are my friend. You are my friend indeed. You are my friend.
Mary, where are you coming from? My dear, I'm just coming back from my uncle's house to check if he's around, but he's not around. Let me just go and tell my mom that I've not seen him.
Okay, me, I'm going home.
Hey, bye-bye. Hey, Rosemary, come.
What is that? I hope all is well.
Okay. But Mary, Rosemary, I want to tell you something. All this evil that is happening in this village, are you not tired of them?
My sister, I'm tired, Sam. I'm tired.
You sure?
Yes, I'm tired.
No, wow. Me, I'm tired of everything that is happening in this village. Everywhere you go, death. Morning, death. Afternoon, death. Evening, even night, death. But who knows who might be the next to die?
But my sister, all this you are saying here is touching my mind. So let me go home and think about my life. Yes. Yes.
Okay, no.
Okay.
You know, all one KG one is in the village.
No.
Bye-bye.
Let me greet your mother, yeah?
Yeah, my regards to your mom.
Mercy!
Mazek, we need her.
Passa! Obinna! Come and remove this thing. Take it inside. This why you came to my house. Are you sure that I'm safe?
You are safe, no problem, no problem. He's our new friend.
Our new friend?
Yes.
Please, forgive my manners. Should I bring the special?
No.
Oh yeah.
As he even eat one. I know he is a good material.
A good one?
A good material.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay.
Some men has destroyed. They call themselves wicked elders. I'm seeing you, I'm watching you people. God is watching. Satan is also watching. Though I enjoyed the mass burial that happened yesterday, but it was calamity. Abomination, because I know the elders that are working. Hey! Hello! God is seeing every evil that is happening in this village. This Asia kingdom is not prospering. God is watching. Satan is also watching. I think he is watching because both of us works together. God, you know every evil that's happening in this Asia kingdom. Child! Though I enjoyed the mass burial because my bottle was empty and I tried to fill it up. God, you know that I'm not happy. It was calamity. It was calamity. Calamity. Oh. Well, God, I don't know what to say, but you know everything. Those people that works in the night, those crooked movements, I know everything. I know all of them. God is watching, Satan is also watching. Destroy this mess so that I will live freely. My bottle will not be empty anymore. Jesus! Hey! Jesus! Satan, you know me too. My bottle is getting empty. I need to fill it back. Jesus, you know that my bottle is getting empty too.